Hey guys, what's up? So, a lot of you asked if this drawing was a photo. Spoiler alert, it's a pencil. Today I'm going to show you the real process of drawing this hyper-realistic blue eye, and trust me, it's about 80% fun and 20% existential crisis. Let's get into it. Alright, first the boring stuff, outline and basic shading. The secret here is realizing the eyeball is not actually white, it's grey. If you skip the grey, your eye is going to look like a cartoon flashlight. Don't draw a flashlight. The iris. This is where I lose track of time. We are basically drawing a tiny textured universe. I'm layering this deep blue, then adding all those tiny lines outwards. If you are stressed, you're doing it right. This part requires the steadiest hand and about 3 to 4 coffees. And now the moment of truth. You work for hours and it all comes down to one tiny white pencil stroke. Watch this. That little white pop right there, that's what makes the drawing look wet, shiny and totally real. That's the payoff. So there you have it, the full process for this hyper-realistic blue eye. If you managed to follow along, you are a beast. If you didn't, and you just think this looks awesome, I'm taking a few select portrait commission right now. If you're looking for someone to capture your pet, a loved one, or maybe even your own eye, with this level of details, hit the link in my description below to send me a message. Huge thanks for watching, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next shot.